Investors are being encouraged to set up factories and companies in rural areas to benefit from the various incentives. Investment, Trade and Industry Cabinet Secretary Rebecca Miano says there are various untapped business potential in rural areas in sectors such as mining and agriculture. Miano was speaking yesterday morning ahead of the official launch of the clinker factory by Semtech at Inhabit Hills of West Pokot County.
There have been calls for the government to offer import duty and levy exemptions to importers of goods that can be produced locally, which President William Ruto says is unreasonable. President Ruto says the government is focusing its policies and strategy on encouraging increased local production.
It is not reasonable to provide duty and levy exemptions to importers of goods that can be produced locally. Clinker, we are not going to be importing clinker, we will manufacture locally. Cement, we are not going to be importing cement, we are going to manufacture locally. Steel, we are not going to be importing steel, we will manufacture locally.
Speaking during the commissioning of Semtech Limited clinker plant in Sabit, West Pokot County, the president urged local investors to embrace the most efficient technologies available to promote competitiveness.
Sasa tumetengeneza soko moja kubwa. We should be producing and exporting from Kenya.
Hii factory imefungua njia kwa investors wengine. Wana West Pokot ni sehemu ambayo unayasegeza.
Devki Group of Companies Chairman Narendra Rabal said during construction of the clinker factory, more than 4,000 people were employed.
We have adopted 4 schools surrounding ile iko karibu na hiyo, na sisi na kushaanza feeding program, lazima watoto wote napata hot milk kila siku.
President Ruto says local manufacturing of clinker and steel has saved Kenya $500 million in foreign exchange annually.